Hey guys, welcome back my channel English with Gulnar. Today we are going to learn English in the kitchen. Yes, you heard right, in the kitchen. Maybe it sounds interesting, but we are going to learn kitchen vocabulary. We will learn the words which are related to kitchen. So guys, I'm so excited about this video and I hope you will enjoy the video while watching, and we will have a tour around my kitchen. So let's get started. So guys, this is my refrigerator. Yeah, maybe it can sound for some of you a little bit long, but you can replace it with fridge. You can say fridge or refrigerator, doesn't matter, they are same. So let's open the refrigerator. As you see here, I have 4 shelves. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is called shelf in English. But this one is crisper. Crisper for keeping fruits or vegetables. So let's close it. On the bottom, I have freezer, where I keep meat, fish, chicken, and etc. This one is called microwave. Microwave is for heating the meal, and this one is my favorite irreplaceable thing in the kitchen, because when I'm too hungry, when I can't wait, I use it always because it helps me to heat the meals fast. And this one is called oven. Oven is for baking the cookies, meat, and vegetables too. And as you see here, there are 2 knobs, and these 2 knobs helps us to set the temperature. So guys, this one is called kettle. This is my kettle, and people use kettle for boiling the water, and me as well, but I use it for making tea, because tea is very important thing for my life. I can't imagine my life without tea, and in my country too. If someone comes to your house for the first time, or doesn't matter, the first thing that you offer is tea, not coffee. But what about you? Do you prefer tea or coffee? And by the way, this one is called teapot. This one in English is called stove. I have an electric stove, but there is also gas stove, but mine is an electric. And we use stove for cooking the meals. And without stove, I can't imagine the kitchen, because kitchen is not kitchen without cooking, as you know. And this one is called fan. Fan is for sucking up all the unpleasant smells that comes after or while cooking. So guys, this is called cupboard in English. As you see, there are lots of cupboards here, and here I keep food or some other main things, also dishes here. And this one is called drawer. Drawers. As you see, there are 3 drawers here and 2 here. In the first one, I keep cutlery. Cutlery in general, it means spoon, fork, knife. For example, this one is tablespoon, and this one is teaspoon, because this is, as you see, this is bigger than this one. And so this is called knife, but it is butter knife because it's not sharp. And this one is fork, and this is wood spoon. This is whisk in English, whisk. And this is knife. This is sharper than the butter knife. That's why this is just knife, and the other one is butter knife. Let's look what I keep here. Let's look together. This one in English is called pot. And this is chopping board or cutting board. You can say both of them how you want, because chop and cut are the same. And this one is spatula. And this one is rolling pin. I love it because I always use it. That's why this is my favorite one. So this one is grater. This is ladle, and this is calendar. So guys, this is the black one, is sink. It's called sink in English. And this one, where the water comes from, is tap. Tap or faucet. It has two names. You can say how you want, how it's comfortable for you, doesn't matter. And this one is called dish soap in English. Dish soap. And I also have here sponge. When I wash the plates by hand, I always use it. Without it, I cannot wash the plates. And this one helps me to scrape the spot from the pan or pot, doesn't matter. And above the sink, I have cupboard where I keep my dishes. Daily dishes. And this one, as you see, is called dish rack in English, dish rack. And here I have mugs, which I use daily for drinking the tea. Guys, this cupboard is my favorite one because I keep here my favorite glass or cups for drinking tea. As I said before, I love drinking tea, that's why this cupboard is very special for me. So guys, this one is called cup, and I love this cup very much. And this one is saucer. Look how beautiful it is. And it's used together. And this is glass. And this is also saucer, but it's smaller. And this one is our traditional glass in our country. And as you know, I live in Russia and my Russian friends love my tea very much. And they always ask how I make it, but really I don't use any special thing for making it. But I don't know, they love my tea a lot. Oh, and here I have some plates, as you know. This is and this is. These are plates in English. And as you see here, I have different kinds of tea. I keep different kinds of tea here. This one, and this one. This is black tea here. So at the end, I want to talk about dinner table. This is called dinner table in English. And dinner table is very important part of my kitchen for me because I love well-set tables. Well-set table is very efficient for me because I love everything beautiful, and also we spend, me and my family spend our time here a lot, and that's why it's very important part for me. And I get pleasure when my family or my guests feel themselves special around my table, and it really makes me happy. And I also want to say that if you like these kinds of video, you can just drop your comments below, because today I did my best to make interesting video for you and I did my best to teach you well. So guys, if you have any offers about videos, you can just write your offers below, and don't forget to put your likes on my video, and don't forget to share my channel with your friends, and just subscribe to my channel because every week I will try to put new videos for you. So see you in the next videos.